Hey YouTube fam, it's Abryanna and I'm back with a new updated video on Marley Hair Crochet Braids Protective Style. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Y'all are just trying to rock something that still looks, you know, natural to our texture. And y'all, please don't come for me on my makeup today because I was rushing. I'm just trying to get this video done. Don't get me, makeup police. Don't come for me. Please don't come for me. But you want to protect your hair. Girl, I got you. Don't even trip.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
I got y'all. It only took me about an hour and a half to do. Quick video though, y'all, of just the shake and the bounce.
Y'all give another hand.
It's just bouncy. Like, if y'all see this bounce? The queens was loving it. All right, y'all, so here's a list of everything that you'll need, and all can be found at your local beauty supply store. All right, guys, so your braids do not have to be perfect, but for my braid pattern, I made sure to half my hair and braid 4 braids going back. And I made sure the front was sectioned into 4s with 2 braids in the middle. It's kind of confusing, but if you guys can keep on to what I'm saying, you'll get it. The hair that I used was twisted up by X-Pression, $10 at your local beauty supply. And I'm just going to start on one side of my head to the other, making sure I start low and work up. And I know y'all see these white flakes in my hair. Don't do me. I use this product called Uncle Funky's, and it left the worst residue in my hair when I was trying to stretch it out. Like, the worst residue. So, yeah, Funky, you funky. I ain't using you no more. So as y'all can see, I'm pulling the crochet needle through, attaching the hair, locking the lock, and we're pulling it through. Still kind of struggling though because I'm on camera, but it's okay. See me laughing a little bit. I knew I was struggling. All right, so I'm done for the first row, and it should look something like this, guys. So I'm literally just repeating the same process. I start from the right side of my head and just work my way across and up higher. And, oop, you see that snag right there? Make sure y'all do not do this too much. Like, if it happens, immediately pull the hair. You don't have to pull it hard, but just pull it and smooth it out. Y'all, and I really can't stand in front of the mirror for too long without getting frustrated. So having music is a must. If y'all have any songs that you want to throw my way so I can put it in my playlist, let me know, comment below, give me some stuff. And y'all, I should have made one more braid going down the middle. But it's okay because the way that we're going to crochet it, honestly, it gets concealed, but I do wish I made one extra braid. So when I get to the top, I make sure I add a little bit less hair so that way it's not like too crazy thick. And like I said, y'all, that back does get better concealed, but I do go in and add a little bit more extra hair because I'm not about it flowing in the wind and you being able to see little peekaboo spots in my scalp. We're not doing that, no. So now y'all get to see what I do with my little antlers here, why I got these braided out. We're gonna make sure we crochet the braids, yes. So same thing, I'm gonna start from the bottom, I'm pulling the needle through, gonna make sure I put that hair on, pull the latch over and pull it through. And make sure y'all are paying attention to that braid that's sticking out. Do not get it tangled in when you're trying to crochet the hair. It should be really like nice and smooth when you do it. And what I encourage you guys to do is start from the bottom of the braid and work up to prevent tangles. What we're trying to do here is just conceal the braid as much as possible. Now what I did here was just complete the same steps but on the other braid. And I know y'all are looking at this right now like it is a hot mess, but trust the process, sis. And now for the 2 braids, I'm showing y'all I didn't really go all the way down to the bottom. And I could have added a little bit more hair, but I stopped there. I just didn't want it to be too thick, but I definitely could have added a little bit more. And now I'm just gonna go in and take out my leave out. Now how I did the leave out makes it so much easier for you to just scoop the hair up and make that pony. Out of the back again, like I told y'all, it does get concealed. And all right, y'all, so we're about to get into cutting this hair. And I know right now I'm over here looking like Tamara from that episode of Sister Sister where she was trying to be a hot girl and perm her hair. But like I said, trust the process, y'all. And I know the last video I said cut downward, but this time I realized with this hair, it really messes up the curl pattern at the tips. So just remember to cut straight across. And after trimming it, it kind of should look like this. Each day though, y'all, I go back in and I get the little spots that I miss. But for right now, we're just gonna style it. I got my hairspray and I got my edge control. And bada ping, pow pow, yo, that's how it looks. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I pinned this up because this is how it would have looked. It would have fell something like this for the half up, half down. But me personally, I just like switching up my styles and doing different stuff with it. And I liked how the hair kind of just naturally falls down when you pin it. And I was like, oh, that makes like a little, you know, afro. Like it kind of did its own thing. She still needed a little bit of a trim. So over the next couple of days, I just kept going back in and trimming her up. And y'all, this is 2 days later, Valentine's Day. And she's a cutie. Like I got so many compliments on this that night, like so many. And I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. The love and support goes a long way. And if y'all love this look, please be sure to check out my last video on Marley Crochet Braids where I show y'all a different method on how to install. See y'all soon. Bye.